Hello, my friends, and welcome to coding exercise number 10. I want from you to write a program to calculate the average value of array elements. Pause the video and think about how to solve this exercise. I'm waiting your solutions, guys. Please comment them below in order to help you understanding where is your error or where is your mistake. So I am waiting your solutions in the comments below. I hope you solve it well and correctly. I am waiting your solutions in the comment below in order to help you if there is any mistake. Int arrays numbers equal to new int array, and I will enter the numbers 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 8. Okay, I need to get this average of these numbers. I need the average, but I want to mention this very important note. The average is equal to the sum of these numbers and elements over the numbers of this, the counter of this numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 over 6, because we have 6 elements here. Okay, calculate the sum of all elements. In order to get the sum, I will create a variable equal to sum and for loop that loops through all the elements of this array and add them up. So I less than numbers dot length I plus plus. The sum would be equal to the old sum plus numbers, okay, at index I, or I can make plus equal numbers. Okay, I can write this in the same way. Okay, now let's calculate the average. Calculate the average value double, since I need to make an average may be resulting in float, sum over the numbers dot length. Here I am dividing the sum of all the elements over the number of elements. Okay, system dot out dot print the average is plus average. Okay, let's run the program and see. And here we go. The average is 5.0. Let me check if this is correct. Calculator. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 8 over 6. It will give me 5.3, not 5. So I need to cast this to a double. So here, double. I'm casting it to double. I run the program with coverage. And here we go. The average is 5.3. So guys, always pay attention to casting, the type casting, especially between doubles, floats, and numbers.